Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is JaiChanellie, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I'm coming to you guys today to show you how to get these natural, beautiful spring twists that I installed myself. Of course, I'm going to show you how to get it. I'm going to talk about the specs of the hair. I'm going to talk about the style in general. If you want to see all of that, go ahead and keep on watching. So, first of all, let's talk about this hair. The hair that I used to achieve this style is from a company called Beyond Beauty. They are an Amazon-based hair supply company, and this is the bag that the hair came in. And they actually sent this hair over to me to install and to talk about, so that's what I'm going to do today. They sell the hair in packs of 3. I'll go ahead and insert a clip of what a full pack looks like. But this is the packaging that each individual pack comes in. It is synthetic hair, and I got the color 1B27, as you can tell. So it looks like, to me, it looks like a mixed 1B 27 at the top, and then at the very tips of the hair, we get into like a true 27, which is like a blonde. When I got the package in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope this is enough hair. So again, each bundle of hair comes with 30 pieces of hair, which means you get a total of 90 pieces of hair. And let me show y'all what the hair looks like. So this is all the hair that I have left after installing my style. So this is one individual strand of the spring hair. It's like the length of my forearm, which I have no idea how long it actually is, but it's the length of my forearm unstretched. And then when you stretch it out, it literally gets super duper long, like I can't even fit it in the frame. So definitely got some stretch power, and I really love this hair because it mimics natural hair. You know that our hair has a lot of elasticity and we have a lot of shrinkage, so when our hair shrinks up, we get that natural like springy looking twist, and that's exactly what you get with this twist. I will go ahead and leave the link to the store in the description box below if you want to get the hair that I use specifically. Again, they do have different colors, but I would recommend it. Again, I didn't have any problems. I had hair left over. I actually have 14 pieces of hair left over, which means I installed, what, 76 twists in my head? And I believe that my hair looks nice and full. Alright, so that is the hair. We got the hair out of the way. Now let's talk about installation. Let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so let's talk about installation of the hair. Like, listen, I'm about to put y'all on. I feel like I watched a lot of tutorials and nobody mentioned what I'm about to mention to y'all. So this is very important. You're going to take your spring twist hair. This is a brand new piece of hair. Since I want a little bit more frizz, I'm just going to start pulling the hair apart ever so slightly, not too much. And the more you pull, of course, the fluffier your twists are going to be. And now we have a fluffy piece of hair that we're ready to twist with. You're basically going to start the twist as a braid. So you have your spring twist hair, you have your real hair, you're taking your real hair, putting it in the center, and you're literally just going to start to plait. Make sure you keep it nice and tight at the roots. And I'm literally just plaiting my hair like you would for a braid out. Making sure I scooted up my hair shaft. Plaiting down a little bit more. Now it's nice and tight. I plaited about 5 or 6 times, making sure that my hair is in the center of the 2 pieces. You're now going to split the hair in 2 and begin twisting. Now, here is the part that is super important that I didn't see anybody else mention in any of their videos, but it's literally the most important part. So, it does matter which way you begin twisting your hair. Because the hair is naturally textured, the way that the direction that you begin to twist matters a lot into how your twist is going to look. So, let's say I start twisting this way. And I'm just twisting. I'm not like doing the flick of the wrist or anything like that. Okay, so look, this is what the twist looks like so far. I'm twisting, I'm twisting, I'm twisting. And when I let the twist go, this is what it looks like. This is not what we want our spring twist to look like. This don't look like no cute spring twist. This looks like it's not doing what it's supposed to do. That's because you're twisting the wrong way. And it took me a couple of tries to realize that I was twisting the wrong way. That is the way I would naturally twist my twists. However, since this hair is textured, you have to twist it a specific way. So, let's see. When I start twisting my hair the other way, this is the opposite way of the way I was originally twisting. When you let it go, look, we're starting to get what we actually want to see in our spring twist. When we let that twist go, look what happens. We get a super nice, fluffy twist, and I'm not even done twisting. So it really, really, really matters the direction that you twist your hair. And maybe it's just because I'm left-handed that I naturally twist the opposite way, but I was realizing that my twists were looking a hot mess, y'all. And I was like, that's not how it's supposed to look. So that is super important if you want your hairstyle to turn out super cute and super neat and nice and luxurious like mine. All the way down to the ends of the hair. And once I'm done, I'm just going to twirl it around my finger. I'm going to take off that excess hair. And bada boom, bada bam, we have our spring twist. Boom. And yeah, that is how I achieved this style on my entire head. So this is what the twists look like. I absolutely love how bouncy they are, how fluffy they are, how light the hair is. Oh my goodness. So I have almost 3 full packs of hair on my head and I cannot feel a thing. It literally feels like a cloud. No way at all, especially for me because I'm so used to wearing box braids, and box braids can get very heavy. This feels amazing. So if you are very tender-headed or you're very just sensitive to like heavy hair, you can do the style easily.
So I have no idea why I didn't record an intro. Your girl is slipping. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed my spring twist tutorial and talk through, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up below. I will be showing y'all how to style these twists pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that video. And if you're excited for it, again, go ahead and comment below and let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.